Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Ashley Metcalf, an Associate Professor of Operations Management here at Ohio University. And I'm one of the faculty members that teaches in the Project Management tract. I'd like to tell you a little bit today about our Project Management tract. In this tract, you're going to learn all about project management fundamentals, from project scoping to project execution. But you're also going to learn some really other interesting things, like using artificial intelligence in project management and using creativity and systems thinking in project management. That's my area of expertise. I really enjoy teaching students things like systems thinking, using creative tools to aid in systems thinking and project improvement. So please join us here at Ohio University for project management. Thank you.